Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Elderly Health Guide Years. If you like our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help our channel continue to grow. Thank you very much for watching. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age more gracefully than others? So why certain cultures known for their fasting practices tend to live longer, healthier lives? Well, today, we're going to dive into one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern medicine, a natural process that happens right inside your cells that could be the key to living longer and staying healthier. Imagine having a magical cleaning crew inside your body that works 24/7, removing damaged parts, recycling old materials, and keeping everything running smoothly. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, this isn't fiction at all. It's a real process called autophagy, and it's happening inside your cells right now in 2016. This discovery was so groundbreaking that it won the Nobel Prize in Medicine. The scientist behind this revelation, Sumish, how does something incredible, our cells, have a built-in cycling system that not only keeps them healthy, but might also be the secret to fighting off diseases, slowing down aging. But here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just some randombiological process we can't control. You actually have the power to activate it, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll understand how to tap into your body's natural healing power, and I'll share some practical tips that you can start using today. Let's start with understanding what autophagy actually is, but don't worry, I'm going to break it down in simple terms. Think of each of your cells as a satiny. Over time, this city accumulates garbage, damaged proteins, worn-out cell parts, and other cellular junk. Autophagy is like the city's waste management system. When activated, it starts cleaning up all this cellular garbage, breaking it down and recycling it into fresh building blocks that your cells can use again. This process was first spotted by scientists in the 1960s, but it was Sumi's research that helped us understand just how crucial it is for our health. But here's the really fascinating part. This discovery actually built upon earlier work by another brilliant scientist, Christian Du, who back in 1974 discovered special compartments inside our cells called lomes. Think of the cycling plants of your cellular city. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about this cellular cleanup process? Well, the benefits are absolutely mind-blowing. When your cells clean out old or damaged parts first, they become better at fighting off toxins. So it's like giving your immune system a power boost. Your cells can more effectively remove harmful viruses, bacteria, and damaged proteins, which helps reduce inflammation in your body. Second, it protects your brain. You know how computers slow down went. Hey, full of junk files. Well, your brain cells can experience something similar. When damaged protein build up in your brain, they can lead to conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Autophagy helps clear out these harmful proteins before they become a problem. Third, this helps with weight control and metabolic health. When autophagy is working efficiently, it helps improve your insulin sensitivity and boosts fat burning. It's like optimizing your body's energy management system. But here's what makes this discovery even more exciting. Scientists have found this process is closely tied to longevity. Studies on various organisms have shown that stronger autophagy is linked to living longer in humans. It appears to help protect cells from aging. And maybe one of the key factors in why some people age more gracefully than others. Now, where's where things get really practical. How can you activate this amazing process? The answer might surprise you: through fasting. But before you start worrying, I'm not talking about starving yourself. There are several smart, safe ways to trigger autophagy through what scientists call intermittent fasting. Let me introduce you to the concept of the feeding window. Think it like this. Instead of eating whenever you feel like it throughout the day, you concentrate your meals within a specific time frame. This isn't about eating less, it's about timing your meals more strategically. Let's break down some practical methods you can trigger. The easiest way to start is by simply shrinking your daily eating window. Instead of eating from the moment you wake up until right before bed, which might be a 14-16 hour window, try concentrating your meals within an 8 to 10 hour period. For example, if you have your first meal at 10 a.m., you'd have your last meal by 6 p.m. For those who want to take it a step further, there's the 168 method, where you fast for 60 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. But here's an important tip: don't jump into this right away. Start with a 12-hour window and gradually reduce it. This gives your body time to adapt. Now let's talk about something fascinating: the incredible unable importance of timing in all of this. Your body operates on what scientists call a circadian rhythm. Think of it as, say, your internal 24-hour clock. This isn't just about sleep and wake cycles. Every organ in your body has its own timing for optimal function. Here's where it gets really interesting. Your body's cellular cleaning crew works on a schedule. Research has shown that your digestive system, metabolism, and autophagy processes are most active during certain times of the day. For example, your insulin sensitivity is highest in the morning and gradually decreases as the day goes on. This means your body processes breakfast more efficiently than a midnight snack. When you align your eating patterns with these natural rhythms, you're essentially working by your body's biological schedule rather than against it. That's why eating early in the day and fasting during the evening and early morning hours can be particularly beneficial. Your body is naturally programmed to be in cleaning mode during the later night and early morning hours. Think about it this way: just like a city's cleaning crews work most efficiently during off hours, when there's less traffic, your body's cellular cleaning crews work best when they're not competing with active digestion. When you eat late at night, you're essentially forcing your body to process food during its scheduled cleaning time. This understanding comes from studying our ancestors who didn't have 247th access to food. They naturally ate during daylight hours and fasted during the night. Our bodies evolved to expect this pattern, becoming more efficient, ate repair and renewal. During fasting periods, when food is scarce, your cells switch from growth mode to repair mode, activating autophagy to recycle and reuse available resources. But as the really exciting part, by simply adjusting when you eat, you can tap into this natural rhythm. For instance, having your last meal of the day earlier, say by 6 or 700 p.m., gives your body a longer period of uninterrupted time for cellular cleanup. This isn't just about fasting, it's about working in harmony with your body's natural timing to optimize its healing and renewal processes. Here's something fascinating that most people don't know: protein consumption, especially animal protein, plays a crucial role in this process. When you constantly supply your body with animal protein, it never fully switches on its recycling system. This doesn't mean you need to become vegetarian, but considering having a few meat-free days each week might actually help boost your body's natural cleaning process. Now let me share some practical tips to make this work for you. First, hydration is crucial when you're fasting. Your body needs plenty of water. Warm water, herbal tea can help reduce cravings and keep you hydrated. Second, what you eat during your feeding window matters just as much as when you eat. Focus on nutrient-rich foods, plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Remember, you're not trying to starve yourself. You're trying to optimize your body's natural process. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, weak, or unwell, that's your body telling you something's not right. Start slowly and adjust based on how you feel. Here's something truly empowering. You have the ability to influence your body's healing and longevity processes through simple daily choices. By understanding and working with your natural biological rhythms, you can optimize your health in ways that previous generations never knew were possible, of course. It's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health route. Especially if you have existing health conditions, they can help you customize these practices to your unique needs. So what have we learned inside each of your trillions of cells? There's an incredible cleanup system waiting to be activated. Through simple changes in when and how you eat, you can tap into this natural process that helps fight diseases, low aging, and keep your body running at its best. Remember, this isn't automatic changes or extreme measures. It's about understanding and working with your body's natural process. It starts, all be consistent and pay attention to how your body. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Your support really inspires us to keep going. Wishing you all the best. Stay safe and healthy. See you soon.